Hey y'all, welcome back. So today is a different type of video. I just wanted to say thank you to, I believe her name is Gia, and she reached out to me from a company called Maydear Stitch. Now she's on, I believe, Amazon, and they also have their own website. But she reached out to me and offered to let me choose 2 of her patterns, and with the understanding that I am not stitching anything new until the start of the year, and that I have a lot of plans coming. So these will be added to my stitch list of stitchy things to start. So from what I understand, there's 11 count and 14 count, and these are the 2 that I chose. So this one is called Cherry Blossoms. Hopefully no glare. And this one is called The Starry Night of Van Gogh. Now, these are cross-stitch kits that I've never used before. And the big thing that's different about them for me is that they're printed. I've never done a printed canvas, but I figure we could open up these and do a real quick review and then go over some things that she was kind enough to share with me for all of you. So it comes in, it's actually a really nice plastic, so my kits will probably stay in there. So you have the cover sheet, you get the pattern, which I'll try to keep back here. And so, it kind of comes like a book piece, but the centerpiece does come out, so don't lose those. More mental note to myself. And these are what's different. So I see a lot of people starting these, and they look very interesting. That is so beautifully placed in there. And here is, am I holding it up the right way? Which way does it go? This way, right? I would assume. So now this looks nothing like the image. Okay. But the colors, from what I understand, they're all different symbols. So let's see if I can bring this up here so you can see it. So your symbols are all marked on there. And like I said, from what I understand, there's 11 count and 14 count fabric that she has right now. All of your symbols are down here, nice and neat, if I can get Linda to focus. So here's your symbols. Here's your numbers. And what I believe those are the DMC colors. Yep, DMC. So those are nicely printed on there. And then they give you the floss, which this floss feels awfully soft. So I don't know if those are, I'm assuming they're DMC colors, but they feel really, really soft, like they've been conditioned. But here's your, Linda, if you could focus, thank you. So here's your numbers that match with the bottom here, so you know which ones to pull from. And so all your colors are there, very nicely done. And you have 2 needles here, and then I'm guessing any extra flosses. So these are 2 more of the 4s and another 23. So extras from where am I going? That's 52. So 23 must be on the other side. Yeah. So you have 1 thing of 23 here, and I'm assuming you need extra, which is why there's another one there. These are really silky soft. I am very excited to work with these. And again, very beautifully kitted. I've never worked with one of these before, so I know that if I have any questions, I can reach out to her, because let me tell you, she's on top of it. Any questions that I've had, she's responded super quick. And she's very, very pleasant to work with. And I have a feeling that, and I did mention, because my sweet spot's 18 count, and I know for a lot of us, we like the 18 and 16 counts, especially for full coverage projects. So maybe in the future, I don't know. I don't know how hard that would be to print, because I mean, the symbols are, I'm afraid that it might make the symbols seem a little harder to read if they go smaller. So I understand why they did the larger, and I don't mind 14 count. That's not a big deal at all. So let me see if I can put this back in there nice and neat, because you know, things never go back into the package as they once were. So there's that one, and we're going to open up the other one, which again, beautiful package, nice zip right at the top. And instead of pulling everything out, I'll just pull, instead of the cover sheet, I mean, I'll try to pull. There we go. So you can see the floss is really nicely in there into the pattern. It's beautiful. Okay, so again with the pattern, I'll hold that back here so you can't really copy that. And that's kind of nice because in a way, you can't really copy what I'm doing from there because that's not the right DMC colors. So again, 14 count floss, beautifully lined up in there. 2 needles. This one's also a 14 count. Oh, I'm so excited to add these to my list and to get them started. So here's the good news for all of you. Because she was kind enough not only to send me 2 kits, but to offer a giveaway. So here's the deal though. Please be over 18. I'd prefer you to be a subscriber. If you are, fantastic. If you're not, that's okay too. I want this to go to people who I know will enjoy her kits, who will give her a review if possible. Because I know she's got 5 stars from me. Like I said, customer service was amazing. Any questions I had, she was on top of it. And I mean, like, I was asking questions at like 2 o'clock in the morning my time, and she was like that. She was on it. But please don't say giveaway. Please don't say giveaway. The key word is going to be Maydear. So Maydear. Have you ever tried a Maydear, kit? Have you heard of Maydear before? Have you searched and come across them on the Amazon? I just want to know if you've ever heard of them before, because I haven't. And I was lucky enough that she reached out to me and said that she enjoys watching my channel and offered to give me a chance to work with some of her products. And I'm super excited. So here's the thing. She's going to let you, whoever wins, choose what kit you would like. So the kits are roughly around $20. So you can choose a $20 kit, or if you want a larger kit, she'll give you $20 off. From what I understand, the store right now, because she doesn't just do cross stitch, there's a wide variety. Like there were some hair chalk paints that I thought about getting for my kids because they do crazy stuff for crazy hair day for school that I might go to her site for. She's got 40% off site-wide right now on her site for the holidays. In addition, when I post this, hopefully, because I'm going to send her this clip and then she'll give me the rest of the details. She's offering a 10% code off of everything on top of the 40% off. So again, giveaway, we're going to choose one winner, and I will put her information down below when I choose the winner. Which you know what, let's do it before Christmas. Let's do this. I don't even know. Nope, those are 2021 calendars. Today is Saturday. It is, I don't even know what day it is. The 19th, I think. So let's go. I kind of want to do this before Christmas. So depending on how fast I can get this video to her and she can give me the A-OK and the codes and everything, let's do this on December 24th. Let's do a Merry Christmas to somebody. You won't get it in time for Christmas, and it'll ship directly from her. And from what I understand, it's worldwide. So she ships everywhere, and she is in the States. So Maydear is the keyword. Check out her website. I will try to leave that link down below. I think she gives me a direct link, so I can just copy and paste that and we should be good there. And yeah, give her a go, because this was amazing. And they came to me pretty quick. They came separately, but they came to me pretty quick. I want to say it was just a couple of days after her contacting me and asking me which kits I'd like to give a go. So Maydear, M-A-Y-D-E-A-R, is the key word that you want to use here. Be a subscriber, be over 18 so she can legally have your address, because this is not going through me. It's all going through her and her generosity. And don't say giveaway, because I will delete the comment, because I don't want someone coming in here looking for free stuff that doesn't benefit them and it doesn't benefit her and her business. So give it a go. Check out her store. Again, 40% off, and I'll try to get the coupon code down below before this video goes up. I'm going to shoot it to her, make sure everything's a-okay, and I am super excited to add these to my Stitchy wish list, because there's a lot for next year, y'all. This may have just bumped it to like 160. Okay, on that note, I'm going to bid you adieu, say farewell, stay random, and don't get your projects. I'll see y'all next time. Bye!